I knew I'd been doing quite a lot of things wrong. I'd had quite a few companies, some of them had done well, some of them had totally failed, and I didn't necessarily know why. I'm Quin, I'm one of the co-founders of Krzana, and I am NEF 2015. One of the reasons I wanted to get into NEF was to be surrounded by people who've done it before and can help me with things I might be struggling with. Both of my mentors I hit it off with immediately, got on incredibly well with, and really felt like I got taken under their wing. I mean, one of them I still go out for beers with. So the reason why it was so good was that I could go and sit with someone and for an hour, for 2 hours, could talk about problems I was having within the company at that point, whether they were HR, product market fit, how to do bits of accountancy. And they could go, well, I don't know exactly your situation, but I've been in a similar position. Here's how I solved it. Here's how I might use that knowledge in your position. The NEF learning program is really powerful because it's incredibly broad. It starts with what is an idea and how do you prove an idea, all the way through to even a little bit of coding, marketing, round to investment. And so you get this holistic view of what it involves to build a company. So we recently hired a NEFer, which is one of the best things we've done. They're not just someone who wants a standard job. They're not just someone who wants to go and work somewhere boring. They genuinely want to solve interesting problems. They're intelligent, they're driven, they're exactly what we needed.